if you are appearing in NMTC Stage 2 Primary or Sub-Junior, you might see a question in which it will be written that define A star B, or there might be any other symbol also, for example $B or a triangle B. So in such type of question, this is a puzzle type of question in which the question will define what the symbol represents. Like A star means is A square plus B square, for example. $B is A minus B. It is A square into B, for example. So here in the question, these symbols are being defined already. So if you see such type of question, don't panic with the symbol. If the question asks 2 triangle 3, so basically you have to apply this definition in this part. So value of A is 2, value of B is 3, so you just apply 2 square into 3, so it is 12. This way you have to solve. If it is written $5, 3, so basically it is nothing but 5 minus 3 as per the definition, so answer is 2. For example, it is written 2 star 1, so basically A value is 2, B value is 1. You have to apply this definition, which is 2 square plus 1 square, which is equals to 5. So basically you will see such type of questions in stage 2, and you will realize that okay, these symbols are something which are whatever is given in the question. It can be exclamatory, it can be multiplication, division also. If the question is defining a particular symbol in a different way, you have to use the definition which is provided in the question.